weekend in my life because that's what I decided I'm doing. Because I tried weekly vlogging, I felt it's too much, so I thought let me just start off by doing a weekend. So here we are. Today's Friday. On Fridays I have college from 11:15 because the morning hour is laboratory and we haven't been assigned batches yet since college just started this week. Let's see. And I have a video going up in some time. I hope you've already watched it. If not, I will leave a link below in the description. Do watch my video. So I was watching Grey's Anatomy. Okay, so I'm ready for college. I'm gonna have breakfast and rush because I have the upload schedule at 11. I'll see how I can manage that. If I should, pre-story it or what. It's 10:15 right now, and we are going to eat. Then head to college. We'll see. I'm not sure if my college is going to be till 4 or till 2. Let's find out. I'll take a guess what the time might be. It's 6:25 and I've just come back home because 1, we didn't have a single class and they called us to college, which we were all so pissed off about, and 2, we had placement training from 2:30 to 6. It was supposed to be till 5:30, ended up till 6. It was a good day. I thought I would vlog, but I was sitting like in the first row because there were barely any students, so I ended up in the first row, so I couldn't really vlog it. But I thought I'll show you my friends, but I think I'll do that tomorrow. Depends. Tomorrow is Saturday and I don't think, again, I don't know how many people are even coming to college, so let's see. I'll check up on you in the night. It's Saturday. It's like a super excited day. I actually have like quite a thing planned for the weekend. It's 7:50 and I'm supposed to be up and getting ready because I have college in less than an hour and I'm still lying here even though I've been awake for an hour and a half. Well, I guess that's how we're starting today. So I came back from college. Guess what? We had 1 hour of classes instead of 4, which is so pissing off because we were supposed to have 4. Turned out to be 1. I'm not saying that's like good or bad. If they told us, we probably wouldn't even had that 1 hour and we would have had like a holiday today. So they basically took away 1 day of the weekend from us. But all that aside, I'm super excited because we're going to watch stand-up. Yay! So we're gonna watch Nabil Shah. Time. I don't know why I cut my mouth like that, but I'm all ready for the show. I got my makeup done. This makeup tutorial is coming soon. I'm editing it already. So yes, this is my weekend today. I'm going to watch some stand-up. I'll probably vlog there, not the content of course, because it's not fair for the creator. But yeah. That show went really well. Church Street turns into a flea market in the weekends. So this is nice. They're like small pop-up things selling pottery, and then there's jewelry, scarves, postcards and all of that. I'll show you some. After that flea market, we thought we'll have, since our parking space gave us half an hour more time to like park for whatever amount we paid. We're like, let's go have some food. We're having a kalpuri because masala puri is there. Just came back home from the show. It's around 7:30. Even though the show got over early, we were just walking down Church Street for some time, like you saw the flea market. It was a good show. Like we were sitting right in his nose, like we were here. I mean, it was a super small cafe. If you're familiar with Tea Trails in Brigade Road, that's where the show was. It was a small gathering of just 20 people or so, and it was a good like small, not, I wouldn't call it not like an intimate show, but it was like you knew you're here for like a stand-up show. It wasn't like something like chalo aake baat karte hain. It was not that kind of a show, but it was a good show, and I was like little apprehensive before going to the show because I was going with my dad, and I'm just like, oh shit. First of all, Neville curses like nobody's business. You can almost say he has a sailor mouth, and I'm just like, oh my lord, sailor mouth and all of that. But it was nice. I thought my dad would be like super like, this is what you watch, huh? But no, he was happy with it. Then he liked the jokes. He laughed at dark jokes. I'm just like, cool, that's good. You're laughing at assassination jokes, murder jokes, Alzheimer's jokes, all good. Incest jokes also, he laughed. And yeah, all of that stuff was happening. And yes, I got a picture with Neville at last. If you like know me, I've spoken about Neville to every other person I know. like you would have heard me talk about the podcast, the Tisk podcast, Neville, his dark humor, his like how he speaks about, mental health so openly and all of that. I would have spoken to you about him for sure, at least once, or I would have mentioned about today, and then I would have spoken about him. So it was like that. It was like I finally had that conversation with my dad, and I spoke to him about Neville. I gave him a little more background. It's all like post show, like in case he liked the show, and he did, so I'm happy. And I've rambled on for this about 2 minutes already. So basically it was a good show. In other news, my makeup hasn't moved at all. Like I'm so happy. Like I didn't sweat. I had like baked properly. So to my baking skills. So I'm glad my makeup hasn't moved. And if you're thinking if my lips are bare, it's because I don't usually apply lipstick when I'm wearing like a shirt, like a sweatshirt like this. I feel that's super weird, a little weird. And if I'm wearing jeans, though, I usually avoid lipstick. I'm just like, it's just weird for me. Nothing wrong with that. I feel that's weird because I'm a person who like wears dark colored lipstick because I'm going to sleep, floss, sleep. It's a good night. I will take this makeup off. If I do something exciting by chance tonight, I will update. Otherwise, see you tomorrow morning. It's Sunday. I did have plans, but it get cancelled. Wow, it got cancelled because we were supposed to go to like this food festival. Apparently got over last week, which I didn't know of. So we just made plans for next week. So I'll probably see my friend next week. But today we were supposed to get up and go to the temple in the morning. Clearly didn't happen. It's 3 p.m. now. I've been trying to edit this video for quite some time now. I don't know why. There isn't like anything much to edit, but I'm still taking forever to edit it for some reason, because I'm getting distracted by music, and you can't play music and edit because of course that doesn't work like that. So that's it. I'll just go to the temple now with like my parents. Probably eat lunch and then go. Did I mention it's almost 3? Yep, I haven't done anything all day. Literally nothing's been done. Just been watching YouTube, trying to like understand what I've been sort of doing right and wrong with my videos so far, and trying to understand how analytics work. Oh my god, analytics will probably be the end of me. And I also learned that all the 209 hours worth of work that I've put in is probably useless already. So it's like 4 o'clock now. We're all going to the temple. It's me, dad, grandmom, and my grandmother's sister. So I'll probably show you when we're at the temple or on the way. Hey, I was editing this and found out that I haven't filmed an outro, so thanks for watching a weekend in my life. I know I should have vlogged a little more in the temple and all of that, but first of all, the temple was shut, so they were only doing a small outside puja, which isn't the conventional temple. So next time I go to the temple, I will show the temple. But that's what that was. That's why I just got like an outside shot, because we're not allowed to like take cameras in the temple anyways. Now I'm just having a snack, and yeah, that's all. Some water. Water is currently 8:15. I'm going to finish editing by 9:30 and upload it so that I can schedule and upload for when you're watching this. Thanks for watching. Bye.